So in front of me I've got JBL Quantum One. In this video I'll show you how to connect it with smartphone. In the beginning, keep in mind that this headset does not have Bluetooth. So the only way to connect it to smartphone is via this micro to micro jack cable. Firstly, connect the first cable to your headset and then connect the second cable to the smartphone. While using your headset with smartphone, the headset will not light up. And that's basically it. Thanks to this connection you can also manage your microphone via this switch. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.